Hello YouTube, Scotty here with another one. Hey, I just wanted to share with you guys my 1/10 ounce Australian gold lunars. I was trying to put together a Series 2 set, 2008 to 2015. I am missing the 2008, 2009, 2010, which is the year of the mouse, year of the ox, and the year of the tiger. The premiums on those are just off the charts, too high. If you guys know anyone that has them, or if you have them for a decent price, may be interested. But for now, I just have the 2011 through 2016. So I'll just show you guys these up close. Of course, if you buy them the year they come out, you know, they do increase in value each year. There's the 2011 year of the rabbit. And I won't show the backs of all of them just because the backs are all the same. Really neat little pieces though. And the 2012 year of the dragon. And the 2013 year of the snake. This is one of my favorites here. 2014 year of the horse. And the 2015 year of the goat. And the newest one, the 2016 year of the monkey. And this one here is not a lunar, but pretty cool coin nonetheless. I do like the ruse. This one here is the 2015 kangaroo. Anyways, guys, just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.